day up on your half-rate living. Yes, man. So I go on there. So I want to cook some food in a day, you know. But you know, say rain start fall and sitting. See, I'm a shelter burst done. Yeah, it is popped down. So I gotta fix that. And then I should go out and start cook some food. I know I think go. Yes, some people. So we are going to go and go live for a few. Yeah, because we need to get the 8,000 watch hour need. That is it. That is it. What's up? We just set up the charge on the camera here. So we don't go dead. Now we have a lot. We have a lot in store now. Just stick and stand by. Alright, here we go. Right here, sir. Stand by with us. Yeah, guys, so stand by with us. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, if you just join the channel, just like up the video for me, check out the video on the channel. Yeah, because we will start go live more often now. You see? Yeah. So, alright, let's come in on the camera now. Action time. Check. Yes, guys, we're there again. That is it. So, I get this thing here fixed up. Get it repair back. Yeah. Right now we have true rain. Rain is falling. I cook some food. I cook some brown stew chicken with some dumpling. Something from out of farm. Stay tuned and watch your go on. Yeah. So guys, I'm go ahead and see if I can fix up this thing. Yeah, so don't get wet. You know what I mean? I know I can see you know, guys. I'll flip the camera and show you how I go on. Yeah, man. So everything set, man. Yeah, with the inside the other section, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, we'll start go live more often. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So this is how everything set up. You see? Real people alone want over here still now. You know? So if you are fake, please, I'm asking you. If you're fake, please leave the channel, okay? We don't want no fake person here. That is it. Yeah, check in. So the other day I was on YouTube and I was watching a video. Yeah, I was watching a video, guys. I see the title and I say, is this title real? Is this thumbnail real? I want to click on that video on YouTube and say, go and check it out. When I check it out, out of here from the shout, YouTube gonna move the 4,000 watch hour time to 8,000. Guys, that's a bombshell for me, guys. Yeah, that's a bombshell. That is really a bombshell for me, guys. YouTube gonna move the 4,000 watch hour time to 8,000, guys. And guys, just the 520 watch hour time, guys. So what that gonna do to me now, guys? It's gonna be crazy for me now, guys. Yeah, I have to go in the thinking box. I have to go do some outrageous things. You see me I say? So like all this right now, you see me I do. I outrageous thing this, because I don't think of doing them things, but I have up till next year. Next year about say February, before YouTube go through that changes there. I would have liked to meet the watch hour time before next week. Next year, February 2027. So Me gonna start go live more often. Yeah. So if you don't reel, don't stay over here. Keep on moving. See what I say? Yeah man, I just the same thing there, man. But right now, we need to get this watch hour thing up. You see what I say? And for make videos, lots of videos, me no got the support for make the videos them. As you can see channel them. Nothing really go on the videos them. You see what I say? Yeah, because mother life got enough place to do some video and to take capital for do that. You see it? When I check it out, when I check out my quality and my editing, up there. Yeah, my editing up there, but the support, when I really got the support, you see me say, support me and look. You hear me I say people? For all of you do understand our language, I'm looking for the support from you guys. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to try to speak more properly so you guys can more understand me. So bear with me as time go by. You see me I say? So right now, we're there, I'll cook some food. Here rain outside. You see me? I run some cooking food, you see? Yeah man, I run this some cooking food, man. I know some I camp it out. You see me I say people? Yeah, you know some go and hold it off. So we're going on a little tour where I go on. Yeah, we're going on a horse tour. That one I do for a long time. You see me I say? Yeah, horse tour guys. I show them everything. I have somebody at camp. You see? Camping style. You see me I say? Yeah. Full tour me I go because if I go live more often, if I go meet the watch hour guys, I can't hold back. You see me I say? I can't hold back. I just go hardcore and show them everything for the live. Because I'm going to start running the live them longer. You see me I say? Because I'm serious, I need it. You see it? I'm not a joke. You see me I say? I have to put it out here. You see it? I have to go take my money and buy data because as you can see I don't have no Wi-Fi or the off grid. You see it? Yeah. And my woman left me for YouTube. You see me I say? Yeah, my woman leave me for YouTube because I say the woman say me put YouTube over her. You see me? Yeah, I put it in a media phone here. My woman leave me guys. So me put her over YouTube. Yeah, if I run go over my TikTok page, YaadVibes over TikTok, you see one video we go. But we got over 200,000 views on TikTok. YaadVibes on TikTok. Yeah. That are the woman on my post, my woman. She did up on a bed right or so. You see, if I go up on the video you see it on TikTok. My TikTok channel is YaadVibes. Yeah. Just YaadVibes on TikTok. You will see. Come on. I pin the video. And I have some puppy videos up there too. Yeah, right here so you did that. That video when I make a video, a TikTok clip and post it, it get around 20,000 like on that video and 200 odd or 300 odd thousand views on that video guys. And she leave me. You see me I say she leave me, she say me I put YouTube with her. That she said to me. You see me? And I kinda lick me cheek. I love her. You see me? I love her. I'm sure I said B and I really put YouTube over here baby. But if me not push out on YouTube, our life I go change. And on YouTube is the only thing me see. You can't bring me the support and the real people them. You see me? Because I got the potential and everything, but yeah, the support we need like-minded people to work with and link with and connect with. Yeah, and exchange. You see me? We don't look handouts, we look work with people and exchange. You see me? Support for support. You see me? We don't look handouts. So that make sure I say YouTube is the only thing can bring in a community of like-minded. Yeah, because you know you have to look it out. Yeah, she leave me, she say, yo, you put YouTube over her. You see me? I say, no baby. If me put YouTube over here, you would there with me. But you don't know anything go. You see? So right now, I have to go harder you know on YouTube. You see? I have to take my money and start buying more data so I can go live. You see? So that I'm storing people. So when you see me I go live, you can run back to the video and say, why this guy I go so hard? The reason, you guys. This is the reason. Yeah, when I bring you in my life. Yeah, I don't hide nothing from you. You see me? Woman when I live with right here, I take care of her. She leave me. I say put YouTube over her. She said, I prefer YouTube rather than her. And I said, B, I like to do content. She said, no, that can't work. She not staying. She gonna leave me alone here. So only thing I have now, guys, is you guys out there on YouTube. So if you wanna watch a video, you see me? I'm asking you guys for the support. You see? Yeah, I'm asking you for support the people. No joke. You see me? Cause right, that's not just me and my little puppy and the camera and you guys that I got now. Yeah? Cause my woman leave me. So now that YouTube make it harder. Alright guys. Now that YouTube make it harder now. Me have to go harder now, guys. No joke. Cause me can't just do content alone. Cause me can't do the right content that I want to do. Cause if you do the right content that I want to do, me have to go out there. And me have to travel. It will cost me gas. It will cost me food. It will cost me capital. And I don't got the support. So I have to build the support first, guys. Yeah, so I have to bring it on in my life. And my lifestyle. And my story. And how I'm living. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So this I go on. Me and me look at backyard farming. If you check out my video, you see what I go on outside here. And this is inside now. Through the rain is falling. Yeah, I'm say I'm not showing the bathroom section. Bathroom section over on the side. So I can't show you. Yeah, but that's the part when I do the cooking. Alright now the rain and the breezes are blow. Blow down this tarpaulin right here. So I get it set up and I cook some food before it get dark. As you can see, no electricity and nothing running. So you see me I say? Yeah. So me I look the watch hour, guys. Know that YouTube make it harder. So me have to go harder. You see me I say? Yeah, so when you see me, I go live, I just work me and work. You see me I say, people? Yeah. I just try build the watch hour so I can get monetized. You see it? No cap. So whoever they on the live, I don't want to see them kind of thing here, please leave. Okay? Yeah, because I want to just get raw, uncensored, real lifestyle, real survival. And it's going to be dark. I'm telling you. It's not going pretty. Yeah? So if you can't manage to see something or someone living and surviving, the real true story, no cap, please leave. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm out here just trying to survive so I can get famous on YouTube and so I can push my talent out there and my skill that I need to push out there to you guys so you can see me and see what's going on. Yeah, so that is it. So watch you go on. I cook some food around so flip the camera and show you what I go on. Yeah, so I'll set up that now. Yeah. Okay. Yes man, big up yourself. Thanks for support me fam. Like me say, I go harder now. No cap. Real story me I show no, I'm not showing nothing fake. You see me? And the channel on the I channel, the channel channel, the channel is just a glimpse of how I'm living, you see me? Yeah, and it's not going pretty, so I'm telling you, censored. Alright guys, so you see what I go on right so now? We got some cornmeal, we got some flour. So right so I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling. I'm gonna cook some brown stew chicken. So first, we need to set up this thing right here. Yeah, I have to set it up back, see? Fall down. Yeah? This is our stove right here. So we got to pot them. Got water. That is it. So we're going to set up back this thing right. I think we should flip the camera in. You can go, some can see the chat, but anyway, we don't need to see no chat right now. We just run the camera. I finished the data, car. You know what I mean? The data we work with. You see me, I say people. Yeah, because we're not upon the grid lot. We just survive. So as I say, real people want over here. You see? We don't want no fake people them. You see me? Real people who can support encouragement and stick. You see? So don't stay if you don't know what go on. We say don't stay if you don't want to see what go on. Get this up back here. Ooh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You don't run out data, man. Stop on it, man. So guys, I go for the hammer. See what I go on for the hammer. So guys, that you rain and fall. I can't really bring on them, just want to set it up first. So now I got the hammer. I use the hammer to assist us. Yeah. So we got a hammer here. So that's what I make a little tent. I need the far. Yeah. Yeah, so just I get the tent set up so we can start cook some food, guys. Stay tuned, stand by. Yeah, at least you never get no wet. If the rain or fall, water can run off like that. Yeah, and the water can run off over there. Water can run off right down here. Yeah. So, this is our kitchen area. So now, I get the food started. So we're gonna get this noodle. Yeah, I get back the hammer inside. Stay tuned for all the people out there. And who not there yet. Yeah man, just make sure I support my live, you know. Yes man. Big up on yourself and anyone there. If you want to get the notification. When you get the notification on your phone, you just like up it. Live guys. So as you can see me outside, I'm finally set up the covering. So now I'm gonna get the door. Yeah, I'm gonna get the door need up. You know that part right there. So you can see the block on the cylinder right there, the gas pan. I have to use the block to hold down the regulator because the regulator is leaking. Yeah. So it will leak and cause an explosion. So I have to hold down the regulator with the gas pan with the block right there. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Yeah, look. Look when I turn it on, look. See? See? No more sound. Yeah. Yeah. So I have to hold down the gas so you don't escape and leak out all of the gas in such a short time. So now I'm gonna get some thing together. Yeah, we should season the chicken first, you know. Yeah, man, bring it outside and show them what I do with the chicken. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, bring it inside to you, man. Outside, inside. You know, they everywhere. We're not hide from you know. Yeah, man, everyone there today, you know. Yes, man. As I must say, I'm not going to know one frame thing. Yeah, I'm not going to know one frame. Yeah, I bring it everywhere. Because I say, YouTube caused my woman to leave me. So, YouTube I'm a woman now. So I have to bring my woman everywhere me get. No, that my real woman leave me. See me I say? So right there, so. Got a piece of chicken. Yeah, man, I got a piece of chicken for out of the fridge. I'll show you what I have now. Yes. As you can see, yeah, so we don't really got no window, so we have to use a piece of Solitex and a little ply. Let's get plug in the current right here. Yes, so we're gonna get the light. Plug in. I think if I want to get out there. Yeah. And screenshot and everything. Alright, now we got a light. So I'm gonna say just leave it set up, you know. That's my lifestyle, that's it. Yeah. That is it. As I say, guys, just a line up to cook some food so far. Got some chicken foot here. Got more chicken foot. Got some butter. I'll get some water. Ice water. Russ. I got some caffeine juice right there. So I just pour out some of the coffee. Cheers. That is it. Alright, people. If you are like people who afraid to come on the live and comment. Alright, this is YaadVibes. True and living YaadVibes. Yeah? You can check out my video them free feel to so share my video and screenshot. But this time I'm gonna see a different side of YaadVibes. So prepare for that. This is the real uncensored true story, like you see on the title. True story. So we're gonna have a series of true story. Yeah, so right now, stick and stay and stand by and go and watch it live. Also, share up the live, like up the live. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so right now, I got some chicken, you know. Right, that's up. We're gonna get it sort out outside. You see me I say? Because we don't got the kitchen settings up like that. You see me? Because I don't just see me set up the top all around here. See, this is the kitchen here. Yeah, I'm going to go for the floor them. Yeah, I'm going to go for the dough them. Because I'm ready to use them first. So I season up the meat first. Yes, my people, as I said, this is YaadVibes. So this is a door we're going to use later. Yeah, man, so I bring you in my life. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so support the live. Encourage me to get the watch hour, the 8,000 watch hour. Yeah, I don't know when I'm going to ever meet that requirement. Because I can't do it alone. I have to have you guys to help me. I can't go make the 8,000 watch hour time. So I depend on you guys. So this is my floor. I'll stay there until later. So we're going to get this stewed right now. Go for the pot. So I want to big up all the real YouTuber them out there, big creator on them. Yeah, man. I'm big on our strength here for us to see the live. Yeah, man, shoot. Yeah, man, because we need it, you know. Yes, we need it. We need to collab and do all kind of stuff. This channel needs to grow and it must grow. Any means necessary, it must grow. Yeah? Yeah, man. Any means necessary, this channel must grow. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I cook some food for all who understand my language. So, some frozen chicken right there. So, we got a knife here. Yeah, man. So I go outside there. Sure, go on. Yo, I wonder if you can see this camera. Alright, I flick your camera car. I think so. Hey, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Puppy, pop. Puppy, puppy. Puppy. Cute puppy. I will cook some food, man. Okay, guys. Yeah. I cook some pre-up meat and something. Yeah, man. Oh, shit. Puppy, puppy. Pup, pup, pup. Guys, I'm a little dog that, you know. Yes, man. I know I own the company on that now, guys. My wife gone leave me. So I own a company on that. So right now, I'm going to take up YouTube full time. You know what I mean? Yes, the people. I've got to take up a full time, man. Front yard, you know. That's where doing some planting and stuff. What, as you can see, tree them wet. Rain just don't fall. Yeah, man. So people, I want to support the channel, you know, people. You know what I'm saying? I go live more than all my content now, cause I have to take it serious, you know. Show the way I go on. Yeah. That is it, man. And sensor, you know. Settings. So we can go live anytime. We can go live. Any hours, anytime. We can go live. You see? You see what I say? So go and clean up the chicken now and get it put on the stove. You see me, I say, so watch you go and go clean up the chicken. Yeah. Now look at dog. Yeah, cookie. Right, so I clean up here. That is it. So there, so I clean up it. Chicken. Guys, we get a nice shower of rain, so glad feet. Flat now beer. Flat now beer, my feet. See what going up there. Nice bunch. So I get the chicken clean up right there, so. Cutting board. A second, guys, I'll show you what I'm going. I'll show you what, guys. Sure, no, I cut it up. chicken right here. Guys, we just cut up the chicken, get it chopped up. I'm going to take off most of the skin them. I don't like the amount of skin on my chicken. Fat them. Use a knife. Take it off. Just like this. This fat area. Yeah, I don't want this. I'm going to use a knife and clean off this part right here. So I'm going to go through, take them off, and make sure it's clean and nice. Yes. So if you still watch the channel, remember to share up the live, support the channel. I need to make this 8,000 watch over time. Okay? Also subscribe. Yes, so we're going to go through and clean it up. Thanks for the like. Yes, guys, thanks for the support. So go through and finish clean it up. So we're going to prep it. This is how you prep chicken. As a Jamaican, our chicken have to clean and wash and make sure it's free from rawness. Yeah, this is how we do chicken in Jamaica. We don't just buy chicken and put it in a pot. Like you American guys. Yeah, we don't do that. So we got the wing right there. We don't want that. We copy that. Yeah, we don't want no skin on the meat. Don't like the skin. Don't eat chicken skin, guys. Yeah, and chicken fat, I don't eat it like that. Take it off. See? Take them off. So you clean it up. Make sure it's clean and pretty. It's gonna cook. Nice. Cook it again. Cut it so the season can sit down like it. Alright. That is it. Guys, I want to stand by with me, because I don't want to have a beef until the data is finished. I don't know when we're going to buy no more data, because we can't really afford the data like that. Alright, so I'm going to give puppies now. Yeah, I'm going to give puppy that. Thanks you like again, and thanks all there see me and watch. So I'm going to go for the dog pun. So we got puppy pan. Yeah, we got puppy food pan. Puppy gonna get lots of meat stick. Puppy like the meat pot, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to give puppy. I'm going to give puppy food now. Yep. Let me show you. This is puppy food, guys. Yeah, puppy waddling tail right now for the food. Look how puppy. Pop up. Yep. But upfulness. You know what I mean? Just I try and make the 8,000 outside. Yeah, big up on yourself. Come pop. Puppy, 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 puppy. Like it. So puppy I eat now. Puppy I eat. Yeah. Eat up your food. Nice. So make puppy go and eat. There's I deal with the chicken. Yeah, bro, keep posting and go. Yeah, man, a different guy this now, you know? Yeah, different yard vibes. Yard vibes evolve to a different level, guys. Yeah, yard vibes evolve. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yard vibes different mentality now, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yard vibes brain. Big up Steve Thanks in life. What I say, you know? Get the chicken. We don't eat like America, you know, we eat like Jamaica. Our chicken have to clean and fresh. So we're gonna get some vinegar inside. Give me a second. Guys, puppy eat off. Puppy eat off the whole of the food. Alright. Guys, you know what I say? We don't get a vinegar, so we are going on the bush over there, so. Right there, so. On the bush. I'm gonna pop some mint and use it and wash it. So going on the bush now. Alright, so we get some Chinese mint. It's good for wash your meat, it cut the rawness. It's also named oregano. Or oregano. Yep. So that is it. So we're gonna use it. Wash the meat. Right there. So, throw off this first water. Get the oregano upon it, crush it up like this. Make sure, crush it up, rub it up on your meat like that. See? Yeah. Make sure I say, cut the rawness and then you add water. See, yeah. Wash it. Make sure it's fresh. See that? Yeah, man. Fresh. So now we're fresh. Look at the meat now, you see? Clean and fresh. So we're going to pick off and throw these one. You can cook with it too, you know. It's a season, you know, but we don't want so much on it. You know what I mean? We don't want so much, so we're going to pick off the big one them and throw it away. Yeah. Just the juice that they really want, but it's a season, you can use it. I left it on your meat too. And the flavor up your pot same way. Medicinal thing. Everything in one. So as I say, I don't take off everything. I just take off some. Because I don't take off everything because it break up fine. We just don't want so much on it. So we got other season on it too. Scallion, onion, thyme, garlic. So make sure you drain the meat properly. See? Alright, we meat drain now. Fresh. So I get it inside now. See what I say? People, I can't see when you comment, I don't know, because crossway. The screen goes still. I don't know if comment come on it and thing. So if you want to comment up the channel, I now see it. Oh, I say yes, yeah, comment. Good food, bro. Yeah, actually, yeah. Okay, I'm seeing your comment, guys. So, yeah, I'm there. I'm going to make sure I say meat fresh up and sitting. So I get it inside. So come people, I bring on inside with me. Yeah, man, because I show you everything where I go on. Because live we are doing, you know. Because I forget to 8 hours watch hour. Yeah, so we can get the channel out there. So puppy finish, you know? Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna get this inside now and bring it on with me, sir. Get the camera line up. Back again. Alright. It is alright. Yeah. Selfie mode again. Channel. Yeah, man. So we get it up and now. Yo, I don't like I not too like the front side camera still. The camera not really, you know, show too good. But we want to see what we are doing. Yes, man, so I get it around the kitchen section, so now. And I say, look at the kitchen section there. I deal with it before night. See what I say? I don't know if you want to see camera so good. Selfie section, this. Tell me if you want to see selfie good or the front other camera. Tell me that one here, the selfie. So I can see if you want to comment or anything like that. You see me? But the other side, I feel the other part where I can't see the comment or nothing like that. Oh, yeah. Alright. Confirmation. Alright, so look how when it start get dark when I get the light line up. I want to look at the light see when we charge up on 666. So that's a burn data and get it out there, car. I have to do it right now. So guys, you know, in the meantime, say we need the light though. Need the light, you know. I'm like when the people must see things good, you know. So in the meantime, I'm going to work a little more. Got some salt and some sitting right there. So, you know, some chicken and all-purpose salts in. We call them here the dry season. So we're going to put some dry season upon the chicken and make it go on. Marinate a little bit. Meantime, we prepare the wet season, which we call the scallion, the garlic, and the, you know the whole works. Thing of the wells married up. Yeah, and we need to go into the garden and go dig a cocoa before it get darkness too. Yeah, come on, showing all of that on the live same way. So yo, it's gonna be a long one. Yeah man, so it's a different YaadVibes, you know? Yeah, it's a YaadVibes, yeah. I'll go more live, more regular. You see me? I'm gonna bring on in my life, as I say. Yeah, and this is a channel where I don't have fake people. You see? We don't want no fake people on the channel. We want real people over here. You know? Yeah, so the fake people them, you know, just kick out on yourself out of the channel, you know? Yeah, we don't want no fake people over here. You see? Real people want over here. So over here I cook some food, you know. Yeah, see what I'm doing now? Yeah. Real people over here, stay tuned, stand by. Yeah. So in the meantime, that's alright. People think so I need to get some light, you wanna say, you know. Yeah man, no joke man. Let's see what I want still. Add on some black pepper first. Alright, get the water drain off over. Add some black pepper on it. This one, sir. I cook some dumpling, me pay for some cornmeal dumpling, you know what I mean? Some cocoa for the man them in them back. Chang up on the waistline. Some real cocoa, some authentic cocoa. Some I want to bring on in the backyard farming around the back there. I would just go joke to cocoa, you know what I mean? Because cocoa ready in a farm, you know, in a kitchen garden, cocoa out there. So we cook some cocoa with some brown stew chicken. Yeah, man. Hey, it got nice, man. So just stay tuned and watch where I go. So we add back some chicken season on it, you know what I mean? Get it all around it. Like that. Yep. And we have the all-purpose one. Oh, black pepper drop. And we got the all-purpose one now. So I say all the people out there who are watching going silently. I know I come online, big up on yourself, see me. Yeah man, respect on man. Keep it anonymous, see me. Yeah, don't load up it. Look at this now, so we have some all-purpose. That is it, man. As I say, my people, yes, I have to do it right now, because YouTube say 8,000 watch hour time. I mean, can't go reach it, so. I can't go make no content for reach it, so. Because why? I don't have no equipment and devices, so, but I make it work, see me. So I just go and cook some food and watch it go on. It go nice. Yes, people. So I get it in there now. Get it in there. Look at that. Get it in there. Get it, rub it in there. Need it in there. So we're going to go for some. Wipe it off like that. So we're going to go for have a chicken spice. Going to get some chicken spice on it. So I'm going to retrieve the chicken spice from inside. Yep. So we get the chicken spice, you know, people. Brand new chicken spice. You know what I mean? Yo, we should have go get the light charge up in the meantime. So we got a chicken spice right there, so we'll line up the light. Yes! Chicken spice. Oh, you know what I say? YouTube set away, you can't even see charging. They not show me no charge icon. I can't know I charge it. Alright, people. I get a brand new chicken spice here open. So we're gonna throw this power meat. People, smell it. Yes. People, smell so yummy delicious. So I get it on like, whoa. Lots of it. Like that. Yeah. Actually, half of the buckle. Fell cock. Ah, I got by the cock right now. We could sample it. It's so nice. So I say big up. Whoever company make that chicken spicy nice. So I rub it in now, my people. I see the front camera and I need justice. Front camera show too white, you know. Yes, people. We need quality, man. Let's flick it. I forgot flick it, people. better quality. You know what I mean? I have to work with it. I have to remember say people can't watch you comment, you know. So I just want to work with quality. You see? Alright people, so now we got the rubber team now like this. This one. You go and marinate. I think you should even rub in this thing. I think this thing I should have used. This thing I should have used. You know, go and work, see me so. Alright, this is it. So we're gonna get the pepper, onion and scallion and garlic prepare to cut on this and let it marinate. So let's go for the cover. Let that go and sit. Alright, so meantime that I marinate, we're gonna prepare up the scallion and so forth, make them wash and nice and cut them up already. So come with me. Come with me, you guys. Yeah, so we could come out of that section here. We're not somebody who cook the thing, you know? Yeah. Half-grid settings. You see me? Flick it around now. That's over there now. So people got the light in the background. I'm trying to take out the light. Light burns, you know? I like how this thing now. People want to say, I have to lock off the light, it's kind of too bright. I'll wait till you get dark and plug in. Let me see. John, open the video. Alright. Yes, people. Light make a difference still in the camera. You see. You want to see coming them stick. Alright, go on here better. So when I get to see them line up and sitting. Yeah man. This is what we do, I go and do a thing. This is go and chef up some food. So we can survive, eat some dumpling and feel nice, and then later see what I go on from this. You see me? Yeah man. That is it. So let's put some more to the fridge. So we got some what we froze up already. Froze up so fast. Alright, so I'm go and steal a little bit. I need to take up all this stuff. Yes guys, bear with me for the quality. Yes man. So check it. Yeah. So guys, I get some season from out the fridge. Get some season out the fridge. A little bit. Yes. Need light, you know. Light. Yeah. Come on. So. Get me and wash it off. You know, I suppose. So we can see what we can get out of the fridge now. The fridge. Yep. Alright. So guys, right here so we got some onion. I got some green scallion and garlics. We also got peppers. Yeah, we got some peppers right here too. So we're gonna get all of them stuff here prepare up and put on our meat. So stay tuned. Watch you're going, it's gonna be nice. Yes, so sit back and watch you're going. It's gonna be a little longer one because I want to watch our. So man, just support the channel. I get it prepared now with some scotchy vanilla pepper and some green onion. Season. Bring it forward out just get it clean up. Yes. Yeah. Get it clean up, you know. Alright then. Yeah man, YaadVibe settings. If you all just a join the channel. Yeah man, YaadVibes, Liberty. We want real people over here. Real people, guys. Peer rain there people. Whole place dark up. Over here, so peer rain. As me talk, me I don't want banana leaf. And rain and juicy. We have to cook some food, see you. Yes, people. So we got the season now, right? So I get it sorted out. Clean up on all these things. You know what I mean? Yes, get it. Deal with it. Sure, no, go on. Big up on yourself, you know. Anything you want to do in a real? Keep on support and like, thumbs up. Yeah, keep the thumbs up. one Irish here. So this is an Irish potato. So we're gonna have it cooked down in the chicken. I think we have some carrot inside. I don't know if you finish. Go check. So outside, you know, guys, our fridge settings. I prepare up some food, you know. Some ingredients. Go in the pot. Yeah, we are cook up in the makeshift kitchen inside. So we're just outside now. Get the season. Deal with the right way. You know, so that's how we always do it, the right way. The right way, do it. We got the onion here. You can see in the background, there's all the trees are wet. It's raining, it's raining. It's raining a lot, guys. Yeah, give thanks to the rain. Thanks to the rain. Check inside for carrots. Yeah, so I got a few baby carrots and a fine piece of ginger. So let's create some season to go up on the chicken. You know, our style, our thing of nice. So let's appear up it. The thing out there, so, you know. Flicky camera show no what I'm going. Gonna watch it on the side. That is it. Prepare up some season now. So we got some carrot here. I got a piece of ginger. This is well left in the ditch, so we just utilize it and use it up. So that's how we can clean up. I mean, them carrot I could have thrown away still, but still can't eat. Guys, the way them soft, you can't even peel. I should just cook it in the skin. You can't even scrape. I just want the variety in the pot. I can throw away. Yeah, we just utilize it. Let it peel up. Like a baby carrot. So let's pick up some season. Cook some brown stew chicken. So we're going to show you all of that on the live. So stand by. Okay? Yes. Off-grid country lifestyle. We live with it. Yes, man. So let's prepare up the season. So let's just chill off the garlics. More. So we get right here, we're going to put a little piece of ginger in the stewed chicken. So we're going to clean it up and wash it off nicely. Yes. Got that nice now. So we're going to get some water. Got one more wee carrot. Get it peeled up. Just want a little carrot flavor. Alright, nice. I'm going to get some water on it now. Okay, my people, I'm back. So get this wash up. Nice. Yeah. Get the thing clean, guys. Clean. That is it. Look at that. Nice. Clean. So we're gonna get the season on the meat. So we're gonna go inside now. Bring on the inside with me. Yeah. Yep. Get it seasoned up. People, I can't see the phone, you know. But I don't know how the charging stay upon it. I don't know how the charging stuff. I have to go hook up the extension back to see if the charging. Yes, I'm glad I can bring it with me, you see. Yeah man, it make it really so more easier. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, I can just bring it with me and show you the real uncensored stuff. You see? Yeah, look at the view. Whoa. This is my view that I wake up to in the morning. Yeah, let me show you. This is my view that I wake up to in the morning. And I go like this. Yeah. And then I say, I want the sunshine, I want your bird. And then I go back to sleep. Yep. And then I go back to sleep, guys. You know what I mean? So, that's my view. Get it up there. So that time I look at tool I'm use around the homestead. Yeah, so we want to put in some more work, you know, guys. So we need your support to get some more material. And put it out there. Yeah, and put it out there to you guys. Yeah. As I said, we want to put in some more work, but we need your support to get in some material so we can get to start putting some work on the project again. You see me? So I look for some real people on the channel to just go and support and watch you go and stand by. Yeah guys, so right just at the doorstep. Step out in the nature. As I say, rain a fall. Yeah, rain a fall off of the roof. The sky is kind of overcast. As you can look clearly, water run off of the roof. The trees them are wet. See? So raining a lot. Yep. Raining. Right off the roof. So we're bringing it right back inside today. In our closet. Back in here. That is my view that I wake up to in the morning. Such a blessing to have that view though, guys. Yep. Alright. Yeah man. YaadVibes. Check in. Oh. Alright, just now we got we thing. Season. So I get it. Deal with that and sitting. I get it cut up. All these things. You know what I mean? Get it. Yeah. Yeah, let's go for somewhere. So I'm going in a shot. Wow. Because we cook some food, you know. We're not any live till the food finish cook. So we just have some drinks on the side a little bit. Yeah, on the frozen. Make it frozen. Ooh. Frozen. Bro, look at that. Frozen, man. Yeah, man, it's a real uncensored lifestyle, you know? Yeah, man, YaadVibes lifestyle. Yeah, as I say, if you don't like how I see over here, you can just keep on moving. Yeah? Yeah, man, because we do this for the love. Yes, and the real, and the support. Cheers to my real people out there who are live it up and I want to make an honest bread. Take it one step at a time and humble like me. Yeah, man. Cheers to one of you guys. Yeah. One more thing. So come in. I go on kitchen settings. Let's see what I go on around there. So we got there. So I go on the kitchen section right now. Alright. So as you can see my stove wet. As you can see one of my burn off. When I'm burn off, so use a stone to catch up with. I tell them say it get serious, you know. Yes, if you can't take them kind of blogger, when you come here to scrutinize and criticize, please leave the channel. Okay? Please leave the channel if you guys come here to scrutinize. So this is one I'm use catch up a pot like this. Cause one of these broadcasts here, 1, 2, 3. You got a stone right here. So catch. This one, it burn off. So you can just switch it from time to time. Yeah. Power lower. See me tell her. I have a hook up back the charge on it. Right now. Really and truly do something. Get some power on this thing. Cause we're not intend to come off of the live like right now. You see me I say? So I go organize and get the power upon it. You see me I say? So I'm gonna line up the power upon it, check the phone and come back with people. Power up. Let's see what I got. can't know if I charge me. Alright guys, so that's power. Okay. Let me see what I'm going. Yeah, so I get the chicken seasoned up now. Make sure your hands are clean. Oh, look at that. See? Fully marinated now. So we're gonna season it up. We're gonna use back this pot, you know. But we're gonna just season it up in this pot and then put it in a cover dish and wash it out and use it to cook it. So we just season it up. You get salt on it. More salt. Pepper. Oh, we don't get the salt. Definitely. Remember we put salt on this. We open it to salt. Let's get the pepper. Hot scotchy pepper on it, people. Hot scotchy pepper. Well hot. So I got out the seed. Use the pepper. Two of them I use, guys. Two red pepper. But I don't want the seed in it. I mean, you can't even touch my skin when I don't have to wash my hand. Good. So look at that. So we got first thing we got a pepper cut up on it. Next. Oh, actually we got our next pepper. So we got 3 pepper. And get some garlic on it now. So we have some garlic. Guys, make sure you share up the live, you know, guys. Share up the live. Subscribe to the channel also. So I have the carrots now, look at baby carrots. Put it on it now. Yes. Oh, so guys, today I cook. You know the lighting situation. Soon sort it out. But just bear with me. You know what I mean? I think we should end the live and come back again, guys. So guys, in the meantime, I get this thing seasoned up. Yeah. I think we should end the live. I don't know. Guys. And come back again. I don't know if you guys want me to do that or just continue run the live. I don't know. But put it in the comment. Yeah, so right now in the meantime I cut up the season there upon it. And then we get it in a cover dish. Get the pot wash out so we can have it to start cook. You know what I mean? So I wonder if we should end the live and come back when I prepare up all of that. Yeah, I think I should do that. It's gonna be more active. Yeah, so guys, if you are watching live so far, thanks for your support. I need your support, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go to part 2 on this live, but we're just gonna get this thing put together and come back again. So you check out in our put cook. So thanks for your support. Join the next live shortly. Click your notification bell. I'm out.